Hello, everybody. How are you? Welcome. Welcome to Creative Crafting by Katie. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. I do. I really do. I really do. It's so much better when you have a good day. Good day, mate. What's going on there? I don't know. I don't know, pray tell. Okay. Here we are, ladies. Miss Cindy Peterson is my first. Woo! Let's make sure that bad boy's closed. You guys, it's a messy day today. Hey, Jessica. You got your rice paper and ribbon from You Love It All. Awesome. So happy. You guys, the rice paper from the Everyday Rice Paper is marked down, as well as the ribbon packs, the ribbon bundles, or whatever you want to call them. Some of the napkins, everyday napkins, might be marked down still. The fall napkin packs are still available. The Halloween are sold out. So those 2 packs are no longer available, as far as I understand. So they're sold out. If it's on the website with the Halloween, it's wrong. Just saying. Hey, Val. Hey, Louise. Okay, so with that being said, it's been a rainy day here. It's been a rainy day. Rainy day. So we are going to do the bird thingy. This thing. The bird's nest. That's what it is. This was gifted to me by a follower. Oh my goodness, Gloria, that stinks. And so I do not know where it came from. If that follower happens to be on, she can state. So, you know, maybe let us know where that came from. And then I do have a stick here to finish it off with. Yeah, we sure did need it, Kim. We're supposed to potentially get some nasty weather, floody weather here too. Okay, Deborah, you do that, girl. You gotta take care of business. I get it. Hey, Wendy. Man, my hair. It's a rainy day, and I've been stuck in the rain a couple times. So, just sitting and chilling. Oh, hate that kind of stuff. Yeah, I get that. Hey, Carly. All right. Well, I guess I will come on and get going. I am going to do it as a fall theme. I think that was probably the most votes, so to speak, I guess, or what you guys said you wanted the most was fall. So we'll do that. Brenda, thank you. Hi, how are you? Oh, I'm at my 50 mark. Vicky LaGrande. Vicky with an I is my 50 mark. Please spread the love. Please, 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 please. So, and know that the longer you guys hang with people on their things, the better off it is for us as creators too. So, I'm going to do this up fall. I did get me some birds at Hobby Lobby today. If you guys missed my live, I was at Hobby Lobby. I went there to look for birds and to show you guys the fall stuff. So I did pick up these. Hey, Tracy and Vicky. Yes, it is cute. Kathy, how are ya? Okay, so I'm just gonna snip it off because, well, heck, I'm not using the wire. Although I could use the wire. Thanks, ladies. I appreciate that. Thank you. Okay. So this was a 3-pack of this color. I thought this was probably the best. Well, Cindy, I don't need those navy pumpkins because I have something else I'm going to do for navy. Okay, so this bird's going to go in here. We'll get rid of this. And then I have a couple smaller birds that maybe I will use one of, you know, what gets me is these stinking colors. I mean, for real, these birds for real are not this vibrant, you know? So it's I kind of have a hard time with these birds. So I have a blue or a green, and then this neutral guy. Here I thought was good because it's going to be, yes, Marianne, well, I'm only on 4 times a day, so you should be able to, you should be able to catch me live. Favorite soda in the world, right there. I was so parched when I was coming home from my brother's after Hobby Lobby that I had to stop and just get a drink. I did. And then I did get the fall leaves from Hobby Lobby, these small ones, because I need those. I thought it would work for this best. Thank you, Marla, for the stars. Thank you so much, Miss Wendy. You're the sweetest ever. I have a star party. Thank you, Vicky. Hey, Rebecca. So, thank you, Curly. You cute little birds, aren't they? They are from Hobby Lobby, but they're not from today. I think, or Joann's. I might have got them on clearance at Joann's. You watched me and fell asleep? Oh, I bored you to death, huh? Okay, so I bought these because I like the small ones. When I did that other pumpkin the other day, I cut them down because they were a little bit wide, but this would have been better, but too late. I know, Tracy, I have a star party. Okay, so before I do that, I wanted to kind of get in here with a little bit of this moss, because, you know, birds, they have all that in there. And actually, let me get a piece of the stick I have here. I always keep some sticks in my house here, and I dropped it, and I don't know where it went. And I dropped something else. So what I'm going to do is take this stick here. I know they do, Wendy. I'm going to take this and put it into little pieces. So when I put it in here, I will have some, well, that's kind of, yeah, I guess I'll just do the one stick. Because, you know, they're always grabbing things from everywhere, right? Just to have my own little, it's going to pop the color a little bit different. Hey, Tracy, thank you so much for the stars. So let's just put a little bit of glue down there. Now, if you chose to, you could definitely change this out from season to season. I'm going to glue it all down, though. But, hey, Estelle. Glue my finger in there, too, ladies. This is not going to be a long craft, either. It will not take long to take care of this. Hey, Miss Kathy. And then, since we got that, I want to put this in here a little bit where the stick shows still. But I think I'm going to put a couple leaves in here. In the background, and then see. Yeah, we had that, but now that it rained a little bit, it's better. So this is what I'll do. I'm just going to glue them down. These leaves just came from Hobby Lobby. I just got them at Hobby Lobby today. I was live from Hobby Lobby. If you guys missed it and you want to go watch that replay, because I'm not going to be on here that long. Hi, Shar. How are you, dear? Thank you, Estelle, for the stars. So I'm just going to put some of these in here. And a little color's just going to peek out. Not too much will peek out of that. And that's okay. That's good enough. Because we want to see a little bit of everything. No, most of the Dollar Trees most of McDonald's around us don't have a dollar anymore. They went to $1.27 or something weird. But it's still worth it to me because it's my favorite. So he's going to be inside here. So I'm going to get him down in there so I can go with the rest of my stuff around it. Because we're going to put a few things everywhere. That's what my sister gets, is the unsweetened tea. They do have really good unsweetened tea, though. Okay, wanted that to set up. So we've got him in there. There's a little bit of all those leaves peeking out underneath his little fanny butt. And then, so I'm going to do, again, fall on the top. But before we get too far in there, I am going to take some flowers right here in the corner. Let me do a leaf first, maybe. And if I don't like the way it plays out, I'll just take it off and redo it. That's the way it goes. Hey, Robin. My sister likes it watered down more, even, because she doesn't like a tremendous amount of it sweet. I should have done it. Got a few different fall flowers here we can pick off. From the Dollar Tree are the flowers. Yeah, just this summer they did that. I guess they figured they let us have it long enough for $1. Did I just... Okay. I should have done a different color. Do this. Orange. I knew I had another one. Let's go for the yellow then. They always ask me if I'm using the app, and I'm like, no. No. Who knew? Not me. Oh, right. The cards at Dollar Tree are still $1. I should not even worry about that leaf because it looks silly anyways. Okay, so let's get some going on the top here. Just got a little bit in the corner. Oh, thanks, Gloria. Actually, this is from my friend Wendy Graham, her Rosebrook Boutique that she's got, Wendy Graham's Adventures. I'm actually asked her to look for the navy one that she has and see if she has my size. Because I love this shirt. I think she has a sale going on right now, ladies. Get on over there. I think she's here. If she's still here, she could put her business page on here. Alright, so I'm going to go a little bit, I'm going to go this way now. Because I want to kind of play off that. Oh, thanks, Lynn. Ooh. Ooh. Let's see. Here's just a solid orange. That's what I'm going to go with. You love that? Yeah. Super soft, too. The t-shirt is very soft. I was pleasantly surprised. I think that's more than one. Just a second here. Because it feels thick. Oh, yeah. There's like a ton in here. Well, I don't want to waste all them. Yeah, you go to Wendy's page. Girl, are you still here? I love that. I love the sleeve. And not because I hate my arms or anything, because I don't really have a problem with it. But maybe that's it for that one. Alright, we'll just leave it be. We'll just leave it be. Oh, My little guy, he got it. Is that facing the other way? It's still garbage day here, ladies. And they hadn't picked up yet since I came home. I'm going to put this guy up here. Usually it's the other way around, right? The babies are inside, but that would look silly. Yeah, it's comfortable, you guys. It is definitely comfortable. Okay, and now I'm going to add some flowers over here. These I'll just pull off. Ow! You guys, I really have this, oh yeah, I cut my finger, or I tore my skin off, and, oh, there it is. Let me pin it. There we go. So anyways. If this is picky, okay? It's very picky. And I have hit my thumb right inside that cut twice. 2 darn times already. 2 stinking times. So we can put that under the leaf if we want. But let me see. Let me see how we got it going on here. Alright, so I'm going to do that. Oh, there it is. Where's my glue gun? Right there. Right there. Dang it. You know, as much as I love these Dollar Tree things, this year I'm pretty disappointed. This particular one keeps falling, the flowers keep falling off. Okay, let's do that. Back again. That's it. I keep showing up too. Right? Oh, did you? Oh, you guys, speaking of desserts, my daughter's friend's mother, who is also a follower of mine, Tina, made me some mint chip ice cream. Yeah. In the freezer. Took a couple spoonfuls already because I go, oh my gosh, I can't wait to get home to try it. And I sent Tina a message like, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try that. And she's like, well, let me know what you think. And I was like, oh, I'm gonna. And so, anyways, Adriana goes, well, you have to wait till like 5 or 6 to eat. And I was like, because it probably was just not set up yet, right? So anyways, I was like, all right, if I must. So I had to take a little sneak peek. This is fun. Oh, yeah. This sure is fun. Kathy Richardson is looking for the shirt, Miss Wendy. She cannot find it. So, either maybe private message Miss Wendy, and she could maybe get you the link right to that particular shirt, to this one. I don't know how her website is set up, so I shouldn't talk like that. That's my favorite ice cream too, is mint chocolate chip. And I was like, oh my gosh. The container's like that big. Yeah. And it was really smooth and creamy. And I was like, That did not stick. Good motto, Kathy. Well, I haven't even had lunch today, so I'm thinking that I wasn't gonna hurt. It wasn't gonna hurt if I had a couple spoonfuls. Okay, I will come in here now, and I will cover up the doohickeys. With a bigger flour. Thanks, Roberta. Alright, I think I'm going to put another leaf in here. Let me go red. Let me go with a red one. Roberta, it was a Happy Meal. It was some Happy Meal. So I'm not sure where it was from. Alright. I'm going to stick that in there. And I do have some hot glue on the end. You don't like it? Okay. That's okay, Karen. I love me some mint chocolate chip. That is my favorite. 100%. It's my favorite. Okay. Since I've got these couple, I'm just going to get them on there so I don't wind up losing them. Hi, Julie. Did I call the 50 mark? I don't even know. Yes, I did. Okay. Just like this to fluff a little bit more. And there you have it. So you have that. And then I thought if you wanted to, you could maybe hang it from one of these sticks. What probably you don't have to unless it's super dark galvanized. You might want to. Roberta, paint it white, but you don't have to. It will be a little bit darker of an image, and so just keep that in mind if you don't do that. And you can try to just see where you want to go with it and just paint that area as well. Try that out. Dang it. Trying to get this to hold better. Oh, this stuff is picky. Okay, let me glue this down right here. I need another glue stick. Hi, Charlene. I don't think it's going to stop turning until it's actually on some, like on a wall or something. Ow, shoot. But this is a way you could hang it, a cute little hook. A cute way to, you know, something different, and just go, if I go one more time, if it'll do it. No. Still going to do it. Okay, so again, if you get it on a wall, it'll be better. It's going to turn otherwise. But I think if you were to, you know, say this is a hook or something, I don't know, maybe not. Just tie it on. Because we don't want that to happen. We'll just take a piece of this jute and tie it on and see if that'll help. I don't know that it's going to, though. Hey, Delinda. Thanks, Roberta. Sherry. Thank you. Well, thank you, Susan. I appreciate that. It's pretty early today. My numbers are not, I'm not doing that good. I mean, I'm going live 4 times a day, and it's really not. But I'm going to check it. I'm going to still do it. See how it happens. See what happens. Oops. All right, let's get a little bit of glue right here so it can not slide back and forth. Okay. That way when you do hang it on a wall, it will hang straight. Right? If you wanted to, you could put some leaves on here. Like a cluster of leaves. But I'm not going to fuss with it. I'm just saying you could put some leaves. You could do something like that with it. I hope so too, Lynn. I hope so too. That's why I said you know, if you guys popping from one to the other isn't good for anybody's page, so... I know people don't like to sit still and watch for a long time, but that's okay. I'll make it work. I'll make do, whatever it takes to make it work. So also remember the fall aprons and salt and pepper shakers and those honeycomb salt and pepper shakers, as well as my rice paper. The rice paper's marked down, and some of the napkins. There's lots on my website if you guys want to check it out too. Well, thanks, ladies. I do appreciate that. Then you can just put on a little hook right here against your wall, and it should just sit fine. There's just a tad bit of glue there if you need to. I mean, you could put another bird up here even. Maybe put him up there. I know, Mel. Yeah, it's early though. It's only 7 o'clock here. So I'm gonna go get me some dinner, and then I'll be back on tonight. I'm hoping to get done about 8:30, 9 o'clock, or get on about 8:30, 9 o'clock, and then thanks, Carol. Appreciate that. We're gonna stick him up here. He's got his own little nest. Sadie Grace, please, baby girl. The birds are from Hobby Lobby and Joann's. Hold on one second. I'm gonna put I have this stuff here. It looks more like a moss to me. Or, so I'm going to add a little bit of that to the ends of this. It's just really that stuff that is on a roll. Remember I had it? It was like a tape. So, sorry, garbage day. She hates the garbage trucks. So I'm going to add a little bit of that to the ends. Well, let's put some in here too. It just kind of is helping to brighten it all up a little bit. The poor baby. She gets scared, guys. She gets scared. She's just itty bitty. That's what I tell her. You're just itty bitty. A little bit more up top. Okay. That's cute. That's the finishing touch that it needed. Okay, well, I'll be back later. So come see me. If you're not part of the texting, it's free. You can do that or Telegram. And, yeah. Come, then you'll know when I'm here. If you guys missed my Hobby Lobby live, then that is there. I just did that on my way home from work, so that's there as well. So you guys got some stuff to watch if you're needing something while you wait for me to come back, because I know you're anxiously waiting. Have a great evening if I don't see you, and bye now.